So what's up community, welcome back to our YouTube channel with amazing and fabulous videos. So our today video is about new amazing cryptocurrency project in 2025. Its name is George Token. In this video I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, let's start our video. George Token name, George Token symbol, George total supply. You can check here address, you can copy this contract address. Guys, this project George Token pre-sale is still live on 31 August. So guys, don't forget to join the pre-sale, and next we discuss how to buy the pre-sale. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. Guys, you can check here the George Token pre-sale page is open. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here, then you can connect wallet. So I connect my MetaMask wallet. So guys, you can click here and see this my wallet is connect now. You can check here, then guys you can buy the George Token now. You can enter the BNB amount 1, then you can receive George Token 50,000. You can buy now. You can check here the token info details, token name George Token, token symbol George, token decimals 18 tokens per BNB 50,000, minimum contribute 0.01 BNB, maximum contribute 1 BNB. And next you can scroll down and check here step by step process how to buy on desktop view. Step 1, click on connect, choose the wallet where you have your BNB funds, MetaMask or wallet connect. When prompt, click on confirm, enter the amount of BNB you want to buy. You can check here video where discuss in video how to buy in step by step. If you want to buy with mobile phone, then you can check here step 1, follow up with these steps explained in desktop view. If you have any problem connecting to Trust Wallet, follow this step 2. Step 2, go to your Trust Wallet, click on discover at the George Token pre-sale. A prompt shows, choose network and click connect. One prompt, click on confirm. Once connected, enter the amount of George Token you want to buy with BNB. So guys, you can buy the George Token pre-sale now, and next we back to the official website and see this further detail. You can check here, you can see this available on gate.io, DEX Cleaner, DEX Tools, DEX View. You can check here, and next guys you can see these multiple decentralized products. Non-fungible token, a non-fungible token commonly known as NFT, is a blockchain asset whose value is determined by its demand amongst its users and operates in a decentralized way without a central authority. BP20. All George Token protocol assets are governed and bound by the BP20 standard rewards, from stacking, NFT, lottery bonus and much more. And next you can scroll down, check here the about George Token. George Token guaranteed rewards for our community members and loyal holders. Funds held within the George Token protocol can earn reward based on the market demand for that asset or from our yield farming strategic partner. Wallet remains safe with our strategic partner and liquidity provider. Guys, you can check here the about, you can see this pre-sale price with BNB 50,000 George, public sale price with BNB 37,500 George, December 2025, $1, $10 December 2026. And next you can check here further detail lottery for the community. Earn George tokens as rewards by participating in lucky draw. So guys, you can participate in lucky draw now, then you can get reward now. Funds held within the George Token lottery will be awarded to the lucky user who win the lottery on a regular basis. Holders can take part in the lottery by just holding $10 worth of George Token. And next you can check here the videos about this token project George Token. You can go to this project George Token official YouTube channel. So guys, you can click here and see this George Token official YouTube channel is open now. Guys, you can check here the George Token official YouTube channel. You can subscribe now and you can watch this all video. You can see, you can like, comment and rotate this video. You can check here, and next we back to the official website and see this. You can further detail about this project George Token, a super tool for the community. Check out the documentation, the quick start to grow your investment and expand your portfolio. Next we can see the tokenomics distribution stacking 70%, private sale 5%, pre-sale 5%, liquidity 3%, theme 7%, CX listing 10%, total supply. You can see this, and next you can check here P2E game. Exciting play to earn game. Get ready for an immersive gaming experience with non-stop rewards. Stay tuned for the best blockchain game. P2E game is coming soon. And next you can see this picture. You can check here the George token roadmap. Harvest period, idea conception, team formation, contract development, documentation, community formation, smart contract deployment, marketing, pre-sale, aggressive marketing. Token launch, PancakeSwap, PooCoin, DEX tools, DEX view, aggressive marketing, expanding period, Coin market cap, CoinGecko, DEX screener, Maxic, Gate.io, aggressive marketing, ongoing George token deployment, pre-sale, DEX liquidity, firms and pools launch, trading live, upcoming centralized exchange listing, stacking platform, RPG game launch, lottery system, NFT ecosystem. And as you can check here, the George token NFT collection is coming soon. You can see this all is the NFT collection that is the coming soon. Guys, you can join this token project George token in following social media platform: Twitter, Telegram, TikTok, and Instagram, YouTube, Reddit. So guys, we go to this project George token official Twitter page. Guys, you can check here George token official Twitter page is open. You can follow this. You can scroll down, check here the all posts. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post. And next we back to the official website. And next guys, we go to Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can click here and see this George token Telegram group chat community is open. 15,317 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. And next we back to the official website. Guys, you can contact us, email info@georgetoken.org. So guys, our website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.